Hello friends, I am Dr. Yogesh Vaidya, Senior Robotic Joint Replacement Surgeon at Pinnacle Ortho Center Hospital, Thane. Today we'll know when is the right time to get your knee replaced. So first, to understand that, let us know what exactly happens in knee arthritis. To know what is arthritis, first let us understand what is the anatomy of any joint. For example, our knee joint is made up of three articulations. One is the thigh bone or the femur bone, the other is the tibia, and there is one small kneecap over here called as the patella. So what happens in knee arthritis or any arthritis of any joint? The articular cartilage which is there, that is a smooth coating covering the end of the bone which forms the joint, that gets eroded, as a result of which the underlying bone starts to get exposed. As you see over here, the bone has started to get exposed. So when the bone starts rubbing against the bone each other, the patient starts to experience pain. So in any arthritis, the first symptom the patient experiences is pain on his daily activities. Initially, they find pain in getting up from the chair or getting up from sitting position, getting up from squatting position, climbing stairs becomes difficult. And as arthritis progresses, they find difficulty in even getting pain. They start to get pain even at rest. Later on, as the arthritis progresses, they tend to develop deformities of the joint. So either we see either bow legs or we see knock knees, which is called as a genu varum or genu valgum. So when the patient comes to us with severe pain, so severe that he is unable to carry out his day-to-day activities, that is the time when we recommend him the surgery. Initial stages, we try to treat him with conservative modalities like medications, anti-inflammatory drugs, some certain chondroprotective agents or chondroprotective medications. We start him on physiotherapy exercises, lifestyle modifications. So in spite of all these things, when the conservative treatment doesn't work, then we suggest them surgery. So the commonest surgery that we do for knee arthritis is total knee replacement. In advanced stage of knee arthritis, or for that matter any arthritis, when the patient is so disabled that he is unable to carry out his day-to-day activities, we recommend them surgery. So the commonest surgery for knee or hip arthritis, we suggest them joint replacement surgery. So for in example, in the knee joint, either it can be a unicompartmental arthritis or it can be a tricompartmental arthritis, wherein we suggest either a partial knee replacement or we suggest a total knee replacement. So for that, we will have to understand what exactly is done in a knee replacement surgery. So if you see this knee joint, the cartilage that has been worn, that is removed in a particular fashion so that we are able to remove all the denuded cartilage. Similarly, on the femur side, on the tibia side, we remove the denuded cartilage, and that is then replaced by a implant or a kind of a cap. If you see over here, we put a cap kind of a thing over here. Similarly, for the tibia also, we remove this and put the cap over here, and in between the two articulations is a is a plastic insert called as a polyethylene insert. So in this case, now the bone stops rubbing against the bone, and then the patient gets good pain relief. So this is what is done in a knee replacement surgery. So if only the medial compartment or the inner compartment is eroded, then we do what is called as a partial knee replacement. Only one half is replaced. Or if the entire knee joint is eroded, then we do a total knee replacement, wherein the tibia, femur and the patella, all three components are replaced.